Hello! So I'm back at South Mountain Park and I am going on a hike. I actually did not plan this hike today because I wasn't actually planning on hiking at all. So this is actually pretty a spontaneous thing. I don't know what trail I'm going on. My intent for this video and for the hike is more therapeutic for me. I'm grieving the loss of my grandfather. He passed away last night, and yeah, so that's kind of the whole point in this hike for me, and hopefully it'll be an adventurous one. But instead of sitting at home and doing the things that I actually had planned today, and I just decided to come out in nature because it's my therapy and I want to work through my grief and not suppress it. So I'm not doing my old coping mechanisms that were very self-destructive. I'm creating new ones, so this is a perfect opportunity for me to do that. And I'm also sharing this on YouTube because I know a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of creators and things that you see on social media are all about, you know, how happy somebody's life is and how great everything is. But I mean, that's not always the case. And so, and the point in my channel is actually to help people to get out of their comfort zone and to deal with their issues, to work through them, and to show you that even me, who is typically pretty happy and cheery and full of energy, I struggle too. I go through things as well. You're not supposed to be happy all the time. Life hurts and it's hard. Not because you're doing it wrong, but because it hurts for everybody. Don't avoid the pain. You need it. It's meant for you. Be still with it. Let it come. Let it go. Let it leave you with the fuel you'll burn to get your work done on this earth.